Hello, good morning, good afternoon, guten Appetit. My name is Jean-Sébastien Paris, working at Gemalto as a sales director for the EMEA region for the Automotive and Mobility Services business unit. Do you know Gemalto? Not sure why, quite discreet. But nevertheless, you are very, very close to all of you. Gemalto is a worldwide company, 4 billion euro turnover, 15,000 employees, and we are providing to our customers end-to-end secured solution to manage and administrate sensitive data. Is it keys? Is it secrets? Is it IDs inside devices? Our main, on the backend side, so we are providing platforms in our secure data centers for this management and this administration. And on the other side, we are providing for devices secured hardware component in which we are personalizing all these secrets, IDs, keys in our secured factories. This component then are embedded in devices. It could be in any kind of them. It could be a SIM card. It could be your banking cards, your digital vehicle IDs. It could be a TCUs or an ECUs. We are managing secrets today in the automotive market. It could be a drone. It could be a watch, whatever. And also, we are providing, on the end user side, some security bricks for the application that will be downloaded, installed in your mobile phone or in your internet. Our main customer that I'm dealing with today are in the Europe area are the car makers, the device makers, and all the players in the new mobility economy. What about new mobility? New mobility, we talk about it since several days now here. It's there. Okay, I booked my flight through the internet. I booked my taxi, my hotel, thanks to an app I have on my mobile phone. It's part of our days, our life every day. So what about the automotive? It's not a technical or business question. I will not comment the values there. Connected cars are here. Autonomous vehicles are ready for the roads. The business, already there, we see every day new companies, for example, in the car-sharing economy. So the question here is how the automotive will enter in this mobility world. So let me explain. The automotive industry is starting a massive transformation from automotive to mobility. It's not a question of car, it's not a question of performance, design, engine. Now the question is how I have to take care to move people from point A to point B. So it's involved for sure your car, but it will also involve all this entire ecosystem of mobility I am living in today. So the consequence of this move is that in the center, it's no more the car. In the center, it's you and me, it's the people. Okay? What I want to have is kind of my living room in my car tomorrow. This is the question. And the kernel, if I go inside the kernel to be able to provide such solutions, such new businesses, is the end user digital ID that we have to manage, and also, I would say, the personalization of the car itself. To have a success in this move, there are two key factors. The first one is to provide a secured solution to enroll and to verify our IDs. And the second one is also, and there's another one, sorry, is the authentication of this end-user digital ID. And for sure, on the other side, we need a fluid, a seamless process for all of us to be able to use, to subscribe, and to use such services. The key point is really, I insist on that, is the management of these IDs of all of us. We will have an end-user digital ID, and look what's happened in the US. It's just an example, but everywhere all over the world. Many, many millions of people have already had its ID stolen. This is not permitted in the automotive world for connected cars and for autonomous cars. So let's take an example, and then I will, at the same time, introduce you what Gemalto is proposing. For the next weekend, I need a car. For my journey, I will visit the region around Frankfurt. Then I will choose a service provider with my phone, and I will enroll myself. Means I will present an ID document, my ID card, my passport. I will scan it, take a picture, and also I will take a picture of myself with my phone, with moving my head, cleaning my eyes to be sure that it's not a copy of my face. And then there will be a strong link between my, I would say, physical person and my ID. And then I will create this end-user digital ID. Okay, this is the most secure way for the end user to be sure that my ID will not be stolen. Okay, it will respect my data, my own data, and my privacy. And for the service provider, when he will propose me a service, he's sure about to who is proposing the service. And also, we can, for him, ensure the respect of the data and privacy regulation. Then I book my car, I choose my model, I give my preference. Then I need an access to the car. I will find it in the streets, downstairs, whatever. I have to present the key, which is keyless now in the car. Then Gemalto is proposing also solutions to download securely in the device. Is it a mobile phone? So it could be a wearable device, like a bracelet. Okay. We also have solutions on biometry or with fingerprint, which will give me an access to the car. So when I will go to the car, so the door will open, the engine will start. So fine, it's key. But I would say the last, not the least, and the most important for us is then, remember I said that I want to have my car as my second living room. When I was enrolling myself, I give for sure, I enroll my ID, but also I give all my preference, payment information, temperature of the car, speed limit, engine power, any parameters, some internet access, if I want to have my own music environment through Deezer, Spotify, or whatever. So again, securely, all these parameters will be downloaded inside the car for your ride, and then it's done. So this is what Gemalto is proposing today. I would say the last, to summarize, and for you just to remember the key point, is that remember that this end-user digital ID for the coming years, and now it's starting, we are discussing with customers on that, developing solution, is a must. Without it, I cannot provide the right security level for end-user enrollment. I cannot provide verification of his ID. I cannot provide, otherwise, this authentication of the end user for the services that we are proposing. So here are I would say, the three main ingredients that are needed for a safe mobile journey that I will have this weekend: secure customer, seamless, and car personalization. On time. Thank you.